morning. Today I am going to show you how to make housekeeping staff allocation. This is the allocation format. You can see here. Go to Excel, just make like this, and here just mention housekeeping staff allocation. Just you can put here your hotel logo. First of all, just mention supervisor allocation, these areas, and supervisor name and mobile number and areas. Here you can see occupancy. You can put here how is occupancy, just like this. Occupancy maximum, stay over, departure rooms, arrival rooms, vacant ready rooms, vacant clean rooms, PO rooms, and guest floor morning. Just mention room attendant location, how many floor you have. Just you can mention, you can increase also rules. First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, areas. Here need to mention first floor who is handling name and mobile number, second floor who is handling mobile number, like that. And here public area morning shift, name of room attendants and mobile number. You can put room number, room attendants name and mobile numbers. Here, just here mention like a PM shift. PM shift name, mobile number, and night shift room attendants mobile number. Put here name and name and mobile number, and guest request, who handling guest request, name and mobile number. If you have out of order PPM rooms, you can make here. You can mention here also, and any deep cleaning room need to do today. Any rooms you can mention here. And here this coordinator and inform who's handling, just put name and mobile number. You can mention here vacation and off period, name staff of day and PH and vacation you can mention here. This is same, and areas, mobile numbers, and guest requests you can mention morning. If like that, if you can make it easy, and just if any confused, just comment and I will reply. Thank you.